In this video, I'm decorating for summer. If you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place. If you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and click that bell twice. That way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now in today's video, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled It's a Summer Affair 2020, and it's hosted by two wonderful YouTube sisters of mine, Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Tay at Uniquely Tay. Now, if you haven't heard of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. Now, let's get into what they wanted about this challenge. All they wanted you to do was decorate an area or a room in your home for the summer. So, kind of simple, huh? And also they want you to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and I'll have the information listed down below. They also want you to use the hashtag, which I'll run across the screen, hashtag It's a Summer Affair 2020. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now I wanted to do something simple, so what I did was decorate the top of my corner shelf when you first come into my family room. And I used the hydrangeas that I'm using all throughout the house for the spring and summer look. Now what I did was I took 2 of the hydrangea napkin rings I purchased at Hobby Lobby and put them at the front. Some green and blue hydrangeas, I put them in a little vase with the blue candle. I used my white ginger jar, and then the white DIY vase, I tied the polka dotted ribbon that I'm using and the blue and green hydrangeas. Something simple in the corner. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you be blessed.